talking about the sugar booger flavor.
Jarvis, Shelly Ojo,
Ew.
security. I know there's gonna be
Work every day till we meet ends. Have to turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me why. Long time me a watch ya. Say me never see another girl answer.
My have a question, my ask ya. You think you're strong enough to take me on and damage on my boxer?
I wanna make you full of chats, make sure when I see you, you ask her.
Me I bring all my friends, we come slap ya.
Do what you want, girl, you know me not stop ya.
Make sure you can cope.
No take bad breed for no joke.
The way that
Alright guys, hi. Good morning. It's like after 1 in the morning now. And well, after 1 into 2 in the morning. And no, we're not late. We're actually, you know, in good timing. Divine and I. Divine just talking to me.
What's up?
Thank you. So yeah, I went to the club, did all the faces, came back here, got ready, and now we're going to get Kadeen and her friend and go to the party. Yep. So that's what's up. And we're both rocking black. You talk about me. You talk about me and black. Divine left the tickets, them saying come back. We never leave out yet. From the apartment complex. So I'm going back inside. I love this neck piece. I got this from Happiness Boutique, online store in Berlin some time ago. Not too long ago though. I love it. It's the first time I'm actually wearing it, and I'm loving this lippy. I love it. Oh gosh, I just feel like I overuse love. I need a next word. I need one nether word. What am I look for? Oh, I look for music. Gonna play some music. Okay, what do I wanna play? Alkaline. Yes.
Me know what you cook this evening. When that you never catch your feelings. We might have deep, but you're looking at no dealings. When that you never catch your feelings. Feelings.
Alright, man, change it. Man, change.
Mind that drop off you, like.
Man, no, I make a movie. I'm just trying something.
Baby, let me tell you something. Don't fall in love when your legs open. She say me sweeter than a soldier button. No soldier button. And when we drive out and gone home, she a say
She feel good inside her. Me say, girl, you're too inside. That not even make no sense. I just say that she couldn't rhyme. You know, inside the audience. Like that just sound backwards though. See that top hat just, oh, I love it on you.
I all day, I all night, I all day long.
A drink. Sing mommy song. Mommy loves it up. Love me.
I love it when we fight.
Well, apart from that.
Me I take it.
Well, make it up to me, baby. Nightmares. Ever see me again? Hold me like you there. Ever see me again?
How long sleeve you in a boss, man? You're great. What's up, black?
Yeah, you're like really hot now?
Me?
Yeah.
No, but me know when they go hot.
Me keep on have this thing say outside. Get in our club.
And outside, I inside.
Me no, me just say.
This is she feel hurt. Got in an earthquake. Your love being take a love break. Money down.
Alright guys, so we reach. Well, when I reach, I forgot walk go inside. Sick of dinner. I'm gone somewhere around, so I'm always I do something.
Ready?
They just welcome.
I mean, I vlog.
I'm vlogging everything, everybody.
Tell me what you say now.
You see, if me I tell them all 1,000 times, them still will smoke. Welcome to Jamaica, the land of wood and marijuana for the girl.
Me no have to bad up myself. Them know say man already. Them know me man already.
Let's just get out of the phone.
Call me. Why? Me say you keep it smoking. No trust friend, no trust them.
First, let me hot top the motherfucking pork. Ladies and gentlemen, get in front of that simple lounge right now. Let me afford. Hanks with me. That's why I ain't doing it yet. I'm into this shit. I'm not for this. I'm just trying to get it. Listen, we have 5 points in the 90s email segment, and it can't be now. Get into the party, your shot. Good time, eh? Alright, try it.
We left. We're walking to the car now.
Come here, one and pan. What?
So Dubai going to drop Hadeen's for now. You wanna hear my voice? That's because all the liquor, like, wanna?
Good. I'm not drunk, but alright. Good. I said good, man, good.
I want to do, man.
So the vlogging.
Tell me about it. You enjoy yourself, too?
Mother be safe, you know. Mother be
I mean, honestly, though, I never did all that. Me have to drink to get a vibe. Big man.
Yeah.
Kai, may I have to take a picture? May I take a picture? I take a picture.
Sure, as long as me get it.
Oh.
Which phone did I use? Mine.
Mine, nigga.
My phone is better picture, but
Nigga.
up, guys? It's Sunday and we're about to go to the beach, but this is where I'm gonna end this vlog. So if y'all wanna see how that go, and it's Sunday, by the way, I said that already. Yeah. If you want to see how that go, just stay tuned. So yeah, so yeah. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumb up and all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Yeah. Now what have you girls them? Wake up. Kingston, yeah. Can me love the way your body shape. Yeah, you take me to another place. Can't wait for no other day. We are gonna make the link one away. One away. We are gonna love one away, one away.